Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use upper keys on your keyboard. We'll cover the fundamental functions of both the Shift and Caps Lock keys. These powerful tools are crucial for typing capital letters, numbers, and a wide array of symbols. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of when and how to effectively utilize each key, making your typing experience much smoother and more precise. The Shift key is your go-to for individual capital letters or special characters. Simply hold down one of the two Shift keys, located on the far left and right sides of your keyboard, then press the letter or symbol key you need. This action capitalizes a single letter or types the upper symbol on a key, like the exclamation mark above the number 1 or the ampersand above the number 7. It's perfect for quick, precise inputs. For typing entire words or sentences in uppercase, the Caps Lock key is your best friend. Located just above the left Shift key, a single press toggles it on, illuminating a small indicator light on your keyboard. Now, every letter you type will be capitalized without needing to hold anything down. Press it again to turn it off. This is incredibly useful for titles, acronyms, or emphasizing text, saving you from constantly holding the Shift key. To truly master these keys, consistent practice is key. Try typing sentences that require both single capitals and full uppercase words. Remember, the Shift key is for temporary changes, like capitalizing the first letter of a sentence or typing a question mark. Caps Lock is for sustained uppercase text. Pay attention to the indicator light for Caps Lock. With a little practice, using these upper keys will become second nature, significantly boosting your typing speed and accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.